Right now, viewers, we're shifting our focus to another story, a story that has shaken the entire country, and it is bone-chilling. A state-level tennis player, Radhika Yadav, has been shot dead by her own father in Gurugram. The reason? She used to make Instagram reels. The victim was shot dead on her mother's birthday at around 10 a.m. in her house in Gurugram. The police have arrested the accused father. He was produced in the court earlier today, which granted him one-day police custody. Now, according to police sources, Radhika wanted to become an influencer. She met big social media influencers, but her father, Deepak Yadav, was upset about his daughter making reels and posting them on Instagram. Radhika's post-mortem is underway in Gurugram Hospital. Sources also reveal that Deepak Yadav was upset about his daughter running a tennis academy. In agitation, he fired 5 bullets at his daughter, 3 of which hit her. Cops are also probing all the angles in the very case, including mother's role during the act of crime. Now, cops are also probing Radhika's social media account at the same time. 25-year-old Radhika was a renowned state-level tennis player who had won several competitions. She had also competed in various national and international tournaments, as we are given to understand. Now, there's a lot that's happened already, and we will take you through some ground reports and reactions that's come to the fore so far.
अच्छा, एक तो जो इसका ना अम्युनिशन बरामद करना है। जो सर्विस रिवॉल्वर था, तो उसने जो असला लिया था उस समय कितने अम्युनिशन खरीदे थे, वो अम्युनिशन ने जो हमारे से 6 बरामद हुए हैं, बाकी बरामद करने रिमांड पर भेजा। अब कितने दिन की रिमांड मिली है? 1 दिन का मिला है। 1 दिन का सर, क्या वही मोटिव है कोई सर? क्या टेनिस एकेडमी से नाराज? हाँ, बस उसी से। हाँ, उसी से। तो लेकिन सर, इसका तो ऑलरेडी इतना किराया आता था, लाखों रुपए, फिर उसके बावजूद भी क्यों मारा, समझ में नहीं आया। ये कोई लव एंगल या फिर ऑनर किलिंग तो नहीं है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
देखिए, इसमें कल सेक्टर 56 पुलिस स्टेशन को एक इन्फॉर्मेशन एक प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल से मिली थी कि एक लड़की है जिसको कि कुछ गोलियां लगी हैं, तो हॉस्पिटल में है। इसके ऊपर हमारी पुलिस की टीम हॉस्पिटल पहुंची थी, तो पाया गया था कि वो युवती थी जो डेड अवस्था में थी। उसके घर पहुँच करके पुलिस के द्वारा पता गया तो पाया गया कि उसका नाम राधिका था, जो कि 25 वर्षीय युवती थी और ये कोई टेनिस अकेडमी चलाती थी। तो पुलिस के द्वारा इसमें कंप्लेंट मिलने के ऊपर एफआईआर रजिस्टर कर ली गई थी। इस घटना को अंजाम देने वाले इसके पिता जो दीपक थे, उनको पुलिस के द्वारा अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था। जो घटना में प्रयोग किया गया वेपन था, एक वो लाइसेंसी वेपन था, उसको पुलिस के द्वारा स्पॉट से सीज कर लिया गया था। इसमें पुलिस के द्वारा एक्यूज से इंटरोगेशन की गई है, पूछताछ की गई है, तो उनके द्वारा इसमें बताया गया है कि वो उसके टेनिस एकेडमी चलाने से नाराज़ थे, जिसको कि बंद करने को लेकर वो काफ़ी बार बोल चुके थे। एक्यूज़ का कहना था कि वो आर्थिक रूप से बिल्कुल समृद्ध है, तो उसकी लड़की को कोई भी ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, परंतु बार बार मना करने के बाद भी वो ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चलाती रही और उसने बंद करने से मना कर दिया। इसी बात के ऊपर कुछ पारिवारिक विवाद हुआ और ये गुस्से में आकर के उन्होंने अपने लाइसेंसी वेपन से 3 गोलियां मार करके अपनी बेटी की हत्या कर दी।
ये बताओ, राधिका कहाँ काम करती थी?
पहले यहाँ करती थी। अब पहले यहाँ करती थी, अब छोड़ दिया यहाँ से।
तो राधिका यहाँ कितने बजे आती थी खेलने?
यहाँ पहले आती थी, सुबह भी आती थी 6 बजे से लेके 9-8 बजे तक।
कभी बातचीत हुई थी? तो मिले थे कभी?
हाँ।
कैसी थी?
मैम अच्छी थी और उनके पिताश्री भी अच्छे थे।
ये उनके पिता क्या कभी आके नाराज होते थे?
नहीं।
राधिका जब आती थी तो कभी कोई गुस्सा होता था, कभी ऐसा कभी देखा हो?
नहीं।
माँ पिता के साथ कैसा रिलेशन था उनका?
अच्छा था। यहाँ पे घूमने आती थी पिताश्री और वो भी आते थे, तो मिलके खेलते उनके कुत्तों के साथ। हाँ।
A person does something either to decrease the pain or to increase the pleasure, and the reels give immediate pleasure, and to increase that pleasure the person keeps on scrolling through the reels and watching the reels. It goes to such an extent that it starts hampering the social and occupational life of that person. For children it may be their academics, for adults it may be their professional life, and for children when it happens, the guardians who are observing the children or who are taking care of the children get irritated. Initially what they will do is they will tell them politely not to do this, not to do this, or limit your time. But when the child is not listening, then it creates anger and which can lead to harmful steps.
पुलिस यहाँ पर निकाल के लेके आ रही है। आप देखिए फ्रेम में आपको दीपक नजर आएंगे। दीपक यादव को लेकर के पुलिस आ रही है। आप यहाँ देखिए सीधे कोर्ट लेके जाया जाएगा। आप सीधी तस्वीरें देख रही हैं सेक्टर 56 थाने को 3 गोली लगी थी। तो फिलहाल पुलिस पूरे मामले की जांच में जुटी हुई है। दीपक क्यों मारा? दीपक
With that, we have Milan Sharma joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Milan, a very good afternoon to you. A rather chilling case, and at this given point, one would have to say that all the information that's come to light, there are missing pieces there, because there is an entire aspect of Instagram reels which was initially revealed that is what triggered the father to commit this very crime, and later on it came out that it was the tennis academy for which he was being taunted, for which reasons he ended up taking this drastic step against his own daughter. What more are we learning at this point in the afternoon?
That's right, because a lot of the information that's initially come out doesn't really add up to what could have actually led the father to take such a drastic step. And as I show you in visuals, I'm in Sector 57, where this house where the murder took place is situated. And you can see that it's not a small house. It's not, a medium-sized house either. In fact, the family owns this entire property. It's a posh locality within Sector 57. And this is not the only house that they have. There's another property that is owned by the owners, the Yadavs here. In fact, we've been told through sources that there was a PG business that the family's been running, which is, a cash-rich business. The father had invested about 2.5 crores into the tennis playing acumen of Radhika. And that does not at all mean the initial theory where, he would, the police sources were saying that, he was upset that, she was not playing tennis. She was injured. She was, running an academy, and she was also making Instagram reels. So at this moment, they've not been able to pinpoint the actual reason that led to an altercation or an argument, and that led to, the father shooting his daughter in, cold-blooded murder. And that seems to be the crux where the police has centered their investigation. They're also looking at, the Instagram account of the girl, who were the friends, other such details. Apart from that, the father, has been taken into a one-day custody. He will be questioned again. But what we hear is that the mother has refused to, register a statement saying that she's unaware of why, these things have transpired, why they have happened. But the entire neighborhood now very calm in this sector of Gurugram, because we've tried to speak to the neighbors as well, and they want to, maintain a stoic silence in the entire matter, which raises the question, what wrong did Radhika do? Even if she wanted to be a social media influencer, we've spoken to the extended family. They say many children are today influencers. They make reels. This cannot be the only reason. So that is centered on the police investigation, and that will bring to light why the father who shot his daughter, 3 bullets there entered her body through a licensed pistol. So the gun was in the house, and I'm sure the family was aware of it, and that happened on the day it was her mother's birthday, and which is a really shocking and sad turn of events, very eerie turn of events that have led to this conclusion. But certainly police is now looking at all details, and everybody involved in this case, everybody who was known to the family is also being questioned there. Back to you in the studio.
Absolutely, Milan. It definitely seems at this given point that there is so much information that's come to light that there has to be some missing dots that could probably connect and make sense of this entire matter. And that is exactly why the probe continues.